what we need is a fabric that measures 14 inches, 14 by 11. It's on fold, so when you open it, it's going to give you 14 inches. It's going to give you 14 inches by 22 inches. 22 inches is the circumference of the head. And I want to give you a tip. If the fabric you are using is stretchy on one side, make sure that the stretchy part is where you measure the circumference of the head 22 inches from. Alright, 22 inches. So the stretchy part should be where you measure. As you can see, my fabric stretches. So put it on fold, and on this side, on the folded part where the two edges meet together, put your tape there at this point, at this pointed end, and measure 4 inches. Go in by 4 inches. Then let's come in here. Just please watch very well. Come in here by 1 inch. Then connect this place to this place like this. Alright. Then from the folded part to here, mark 1 inch. All I'm trying to show is not hard. All I'm trying to show is when you are sewing, you sew from here down, but you will not sew here because we need to pass our band through it. Alright, so now join here together again. Remove 1 inch because I attached 1 inch. The circumference of the head was actually 20.5, so I had to do 22.5. So 1 inch for allowance. So that's what I'm removing now. This is my 20.5. Let's see. We should be getting 10.25. That's what we are having. 10.25 on fold. So we connect here. Did you see what I did? So meaning when I start to sew, I'm going to sew from here all through this point, and I stop. We're not going to sew to the edge because we need to pass our band from here. All right. So after marking it out, the next thing to do will be to open it up, fold it in by 1 inch. Fold it in by 1 inch. Then we get to our sewing machine and sew. Fold by 1 inch and sew it down this way on the head circumference side. All right. Then for the bow, because it's a double bow according to the picture, so it's going to look like this when we are done sewing. When we are done sewing, it's going to look like this. See what we are going to be having when we are done sewing. I hope it's clear enough. All right. So now the measurement is 7 by 8 on fold, but when you open it up, it's going to be giving you 16 by 7. All right. The same thing with this one. This one is 7 by 20. It's 20, but then when you fold it, it's going to be giving you 10 inches. All right, 10 inches. So this is the next thing we need. Then the next thing we need, so then for the band we need 8 inches by 3.5. So when we want to sew, we fold it this way, but for the measurement is 8 inches by 3.5. Yep. So from any part, we're on the sewing machine now, so on the part that measures 22 inches, which is from here to here, the longest part of it, which is the hair circumference, fold 1 inch down on just one side of it. Fold 1 inch down, and because this is a stretchy fabric, so you must drag it as you sew. If not, it's not going to, you want it to continue to remain stretchy even after sewing because it's turban. So watch how I drag it. So for the bow, look at how we're going to make the bow. Fold it into two this way and sew one end, the end that is open. It's about sew it to about 0.25 inches. Repeat the same thing for the second bow. And uh, do the same, fold it lengthwise, fold it lengthwise, sorry, and sew. Still 0.25 inches. 0.25 inch, please. Then after sewing, use your safety pin, turn it inside out this way. In case you don't know how to do it, just watch how it's done. Alright, so it's turned inside out, keep it aside. Then the bow too, turn it inside out, the two of them. Then at the so the seam line, place it in the center. Make sure it's at the center, and then do running stitch along that that middle. Make sure it's at the middle, and then do a running stitch. The next thing will be to join them together this way. This is what we are going for. Then use your hand needle and do in out sewing just to join the big bow and the small bow together. So now that we are done, you know that opening we left off before, you know is at the center of the front of the head, the middle. So you pass this inside, pass it inside. Look at the hole here. So pass it inside. So this is what we have. This is the front of the turban. Okay. So it's now looking this way, the front of the turban. So you turn, the two wrong sides are facing each other right now. But then for you to sew it, you turn it to the back. Let the two right sides face each other. Place it down under the machine and sew. Sew off 1 inch. Then the excess there, trim it off. So then make sure that this seam line, the place you joined it from, is inside. So roll it, push it inside, inside, okay, so that it will not show here at all. Then the bow, pass it through this hole. It may be a little tight, but just do it. see what I've made. But then if you leave it this way, it will not stand when the person wears it. So I need to drag this in this so that it will be in the middle. Your job is to make sure that the thing balances well at the middle of the head. Alright? Is it in the middle enough now? Then you roll the bow to stand straight up before you sew it down. So that when the person wears it, you see what it looks like now. It should stand. It shouldn't lie. It shouldn't be lying. So it's now standing on the turban. Alright? So the next thing to do will be to sew it. Tack it to the tack the bow to the band and the band to the turban.